Hello guys, in this video we will see how can we make a program in which we want to do a sum of natural number up to n terms, and the value of n is depend upon the user whatever the user enter, then for which I will already make my file as sum of natural number.c. In this file I initially include my file studio.h in which our printf function and main function is defined, and here I will start my main function, body of main function, and open my curly brackets. Initially I will declare my integer type variable as sum and choice. Now I'll print simply a text, and I'll write here enter the number up to which you want to do sum. This way is directly displayed at, at the output window. Then I'll scan whatever the user input by finding this message on output window. Then I'll scan this value by using %d format specifier and store this value at my address of choice, and then I'll declare here sum equals to 0 and open my for loop and writing condition in this, and here my main condition is come choice, and then I'll increment I 1 by 1, and inside the for loop I'll write sum plus equals to I. Sum plus equals to I is similar to sum equals to sum plus I. For your better understanding, I'll write here sum equals to sum plus I. Guys, here you will see that / sum equals sum plus I is my single line comment, and this comment is not read by the compiler. So here I'll print simply sum of natural number from 1 to the choice whatever the user want is our sum. Then I'll write here choice comma sum, and will finish my program by return 0. I'll save it and then run it and see what happened. So guys, you see that our compiler says enter the number up to which you want to do sum. Then I will write here 10. Then it gives us result that sum of natural number from 1 to 10 is 55. If I will again run it, then it will again says that enter the number up to which you want to do sum. Then I will write suppose 100. Then what's the output is come? It says sum of natural number from 1 to 100 is 5050. If you learn anything from this video, then please subscribe and like and comment it. Thank you.